Welcome to the Script for Presentation tool to effortlessly generate scripts for your presentation slides. To get started, simply click the green button labeled Begin Here and let the GPT guide you through generating your presentation script effortlessly. Next, upload your presentation slides. Simply drag and drop your presentation file into the chat. If you prefer, you can also upload your presentation slides by uploading directly from your computer using the options provided. After uploading your presentation file, click the gray Send button or press Enter to proceed. The GPT will outline your presentation slides. You will then be asked to provide the slide number or title for which you would like to generate the presentation script. This is only for your first slide. You will need to give the GPT few information to draft a welcoming and introductory script. Based on the provided information, the GPT will start crafting the presentation script for slide 1. Now you can copy the generated script and paste it into your presentation slides. Here I amended it a bit to make it easier for me to read during the presentation. If you are ready to generate the next slide, just type in 1. In this example, we are going to generate a script for slide 2. You can also ask the GPT to make the script shorter, longer, easier to understand, simplify it, or translate it to another language. For example, let's make the script shorter. And now, for example, let's ask the GPT to add a real-world example to illustrate the point in the slide. Ready to try it yourself? Check out the link in the description and step up your presentation game today. And hey, if you've got questions or want to learn more, just hit us up. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI-powered tools, and share it with a friend who's always that person panicking before a presentation. See you next time.